Magandang hapon mga kapatid. Narito tayo ngayon upang dumiskupin ng mga iba't ibang pagkain hindi karaniwan na matatagpuan dito sa De La Salle University. Siguro naman alam niyo mga iba't ibang halimbawa nito katulad ng isaw, Betamax, at balut. Ngunit, samahan natin muna ang mga hindi pa nakakain ng mga putahan. Halika, samahan niyo ako.
Can we start with something easy?
Okay. You can start with breakfast. It's like...
Take it easy.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So, what is this?
You're gonna try it now.
Yeah,
Like a tube. What is this?
I don't know.
isaw.
Looks like
Intestine.
What is that?
Secret. It's cold! Shit, it's cold! Wait on.
Yeah, it's cold.
Wait on. Do this. Fuck that. It's supposed to be cold. It's so bad. I just want to spit it out. Is that poop?
Thinking, is that poop? Thinking that it's an intestine,
Yeah.
I imagine all the poop coming out of this.
Are these worms?
No!
No, but... What? Why are you cold? It feels chunky. Or true. It's so weird. How do people like this?
What?
Oh! Or actually.
No! I said you're the easy one.
Oh my god,
Pig. Here.
Do you guys eat sisig?
Oh no.
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 That's true.
Wait lang. This one.
It tastes like it. That it feels like pork. It's soft and chewy.
Don't
Like
describe
sisig.
it. It's disgusting.
And it's good.
It's bearable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still has meat though.
I will finish it. But it's
It's good. I like it.
No.
is this edible?
Yeah!
What's this?
This ear of pork.
Oh? What? I can't, I can't eat.
For the next one, please. Can we go with something easy?
I think the easy will be the last one.
Yeah,
That's already?
that's sisig, yeah.
Oh, now what good? I didn't know that. I can't eat it. What's this? I know this. Filipinos eat this. Is this barbecue?
No!
What? It looks like barbecue.
Nope.
but it looks a bit. It looks.
Oh!
I can't eat. I can't eat it.
Of course it's...
Oh.
Oh!
Comment. No comment. I don't like it. Oh, jeez. No.
Thank you. I don't want. I don't.
I don't want it now.
Don't want to finish it.
So what is this?
Gizzard.
It's also chewy. It's good. It tastes like barbecue.
Wait lang. It's so hard.
It's chewy. You have to chew it.
Oh, going through. It's okay.
Yeah.
No, that's nasty.
Oh, the others.
You can't even chew this one.
It's kind of hard to chew.
No. I hate you guys. You know that?
Oh. This is new. This looks different.
Oh, this one. This one looks good.
Oh, ganito yan.
Like those jackstones.
Is it egg?
Yeah.
What is it?
egg.
Oh. Yeah, I like
I think
this.
I like this one.
Is there sauce for this? Here.
Sauce without.
Without, yeah.
What? Yeah.
That's because it is egg.
Yeah, I just said it was egg. You don't have. Then.
I want. Yeah. Oh, I don't have it. Just like egg.
It's quail's egg.
Thank you, Lord! You gave me something
Who
good.
told this?
Oh.
This is another one. No, hindi. Still have one more, I think.
This one.
Yeah.
Out of
I think this is my
everything,
favorite.
out of everything, this is the best.
Oh my god.
Okay, is that barbecue?
Yeah. This is obviously barbecue.
Barbecue, yeah.
This is
Delicious.
barbecue.
Really delicious. So overall, which one's your favorite?
Cheers.
That sounds good. Pork.
Oh, this is the barbecue.
Yeah. So, what's the barbecue?
Pork. Pork.
Pork.
This is the best.
Okay, okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna finish it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How do you find Filipino exotic food now?
Exotic.
Well, it is kind of weird how people like that, but at the same time, some of the foods are good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The aftertaste is just. Yeah. If you want to wake up, take one.
How do you find Filipino exotic food?
It's pretty interesting
Yeah, and weird.
because I actually tried already the barbecue. That's why it's really familiar for me. But then the others, yeah, those are kind of new because I've never tried those before. And I think the intestines are pretty interesting because like when I tried it, it's like there's an aftertaste after you
Yeah.
eat it, and you can imagine just the poop from whatever animal it came from goes through that. So I think it was an experience.
Yeah, their food are weird but interesting because yeah, who'd think of barbecuing on chicken's intestine, right? And tastes weird but it's bearable. I love the pork barbecue though, and the quail eggs.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one. I love that.
Honestly, I felt violated. So, I hate you guys for serving me bad food, but I did like the barbecue.
And the egg.
Yeah.
So, what can you say about Filipino exotic food based on your experience?
I think it's eye-opening that they have many different animals to cook, but in my perspective, it's really not that good. I don't know, for me. I know with him.
It's kind of, well, if you think about it, the parts that they use for this is the parts that they use for the food is kind of weird or gross. But then, some are okay. It tastes good, but I think the worst is the intestine.
So good job, boys. You survived.
Thank you.
Congratulations, girls. You made it.
Yay! You did it. You survived.
Sa mga palasa ng mga dayuhan, ito ay itinaguri ng exotic. Ngunit bagamat ito ay kinasanayan ng mga Pinoy, ito ay sinasabing normal. Pinili namin ang isaw, barbecue, tenga, at balon-balunan sa Noel's, isang karinderya na matatagpuan sa Fidel Reyes Street, malapit sa Enrico Luzon Building. Habang hiling ang kwek-kwek, ang tawaging kweks sa Bro Blomen Building sa Pamantasang de la Salle. Mas marami pa ang magpagpipilian sa Noel's kaysa sa Animubis, sapagkat sa Animubis ay malinis ito kumpara sa pagkain na nabebenta sa Noel's. Dagdag pa rito, mas madaling lutuin ang kwegs palibhasa hindi ko kailangan ihawin. Dahil sa pagkatapos ng ikalawang digmaang pangdaigdig, nagkaroon ng krisis ang ekonomiya ng bansa, kung kaya naman lumikha ang mga ganitong uri ng pagkain. Naging mabenta ang mga putahang ito dahil sa murang presyo at binigyan ng mga tao ang kakaibang pangalan ng mga ito, katulad ng helmet, adidas at iba pa. Ang isaw ay gawa mula sa bituka ng manok o kaya baboy. Ito ay nilinis, kinulo at inihaw upang ilagay ito sa mga stick. Kadalasan ito ay sinasawsaw sa suka. Ang kwek-kwek naman ay gawa sa itlog ng pugo at ito ay pinirito kasama ang harinang kulay orange. Ito ay isang baryante ng tokneneng na gawa naman sa itlog ng manok. Ilan sa mga sagkap sa paggawa ng kwek-kwek ay cornstarch o gaw-gaw, atsuete, harina, asin, paminta at mantika. Ang balon-balunan naman ay gizzard o tiyan ng ibon, lalo na sa manok. Kadalasan ito ay inaadobo, ngunit maaaring itong ihawin. Ang balon-balunan naman ay gizzard o tiyan ng ibon, lalo na sa manok. Kadalasan ito ay inaadobo, ngunit maaaring itong ihawin. Ang tenga ng baboy o ear of pig ay iniihaw at minsan nilalagay sa stick. Madalas ito nakakain sa anyo na sisig. Ang barbecue ay gawa sa manok at baboy at naging paborito ng mga trabahador noong 1970s dahil sa economic crisis dahil ng martial law. Naging matipid ang mga tao kagaya sa pagtitipid ng pagkain.
Ano ang exotic foods para sa'yo?
Ang exotic food para sa akin, it's food na unusual. You don't usually see it everywhere.
Ano ang exotic foods para sa'yo?
Parang yung mga local na, like yung balot, gano'n. Tapos yung sa lahat yung like gawa ng I just need to read it.
Ano ang exotic foods para sa iyo? Gulay? Okay. Ano ang exotic foods para sa iyo?
For me, exotic foods are foods you don't usually see every day. You go out of your way to different places just to find them, or they're unusual.
Ano ang exotic foods para sa iyo? Sa inyo?
Para sa amin, food na hindi siya sikat or parang wala siya sa country na to. Exotic lang siya kasi exclusive dito sa Manila or exclusive
For me, when I think of exotic foods, naisip ko yung parang like lamang loob of animals, like, you know, Betamax and Isaw and like that.
Ano ang exotic foods para sa'yo?
Yung mga isaw, tsaka yung parang chicken feet.
Ang street foods ng Manila ba parang exotic food?
Para sa mga ibang countries maybe. Pero parang it becomes so normal to us that it's no longer considered exotic.
Ang street foods ng Manila ba parang exotic foods?
Exotic siya kasi kakaiba.
Ang street foods ng Manila ba parang exotic foods? Ang street foods ng Manila ba parang exotic foods?
I guess it depends. If you're not from Manila, I guess exotic food, street foods can be exotic to you.
Ano ang street foods ng ang street food ng Manila ba parang exotic food?
Yes. Kasi wala naman fishbowl sa China or sa Japan.
Yeah. I agree with it. Like, when you think of street foods in Manila, like Isaw, Betamax, Kwek Kwek, you can only find that sa Pilipinas, and you can find that in other countries.
Ang mga street foods ba ng Manila parang exotic foods para sa'yo?
Kalahati oo, kalahati hindi.
Bakit?
Kasi like, yung mga parang fishball, kikiam, yun okay pa yun eh. Pero pag dumating na tayo dun sa isaw, tapos yung parang mga cubes ng dugo, hindi ko na kaya.
Ano ang paborito mong street food at bakit?
Tenga.
Bakit?
It's chewy siya, but it's like meat bubblegum.
Ano ba ang paborito mong street food at bakit? Kung meron.
Wala yata. Hindi pa ako nakaka-try ng isaw.
Ano ang paborito mong street food at bakit?
Kwek Kwek.
Kwek Kwek, bakit po?
It's just familiar to me. It's what I used to have in my house.
Ano ba ang paborito mong street food?
For me, I like squid ball, isaw, and Kwek Kwek.
Bakit?
I don't know, they taste good.
Ikaw?
For isaw, kikiam, fishbowl.
Bakit?
Parang wala, comfort food. Pag wala niya.
Ano yung pinaka-paborito mong street food?
Kikiam.
Ano ang pinakaayaw mong street food? Bakit?
Betamax.
Bakit?
Dugo. It's weird. Parang spongy na.
Ano bang ayaw mong street food? Wala naman ba?
Isaw siguro.
Bakit?
Wala lang, ayoko lang talaga.
Ano ang pinakaayaw niyong street food?
For me, I don't like Betamax. Like, blood.
Ba?
Parang ganun.
Bakit ba?
I don't know, it's kind of gross.
Ikaw?
Meron sa Bulacan yung worm.
Ayaw mo yan. Bakit?
Ano ang pinakaayaw mo?
Isaw.
Ano ba ang halos kinakain mo?
Usually, isang tenga. The usual.
Bakit?
Because it's the cheapest ones.
Ano ba ang halos kinakain mo na street food? Bakit po masarap? Kinakain mo na street food o exotic food?
Actually, squid simple because there's a lot to do.
Okay. Meron pa ba? Yan lang. Okay. Ano ba ang halos yung kinakain na street food?
Halos? Halos?
Most of the time.
Most of the time, yun nga, kwek-kwek, squid ball, isaw.
Bakit?
Yun nga, parang masarap siya and mura din. It's cheap. So, if you wanna get like full pero you don't wanna spend much, you can eat those.
At saka yun lang din yung nakikita dito.
So, yeah.
So, anong madalas mong kinakain street foods and bakit?
Kikiam, fishball, yung mga kwek-kwek, mga ganun. Kasi parang sila yung mga alam mo kung ano yung nasa loob. Kaya okay.
May mga tao na yon na mahilig kumain ng mga street food at may mga tao rin na hindi rin tipo ang mga pagkain nito. Meron tayong iba't ibang pananaw dahil sa kanilang kapaligiran sapagkat may mga ilang tao ay naniniwala na ang street food ay hindi exotic o kakaiba, ngunit pangkaraniwan lang ito. Gayunman, may mga dayuhan hindi lamang sa DLSU, ngunit sa ibang bahagi ng bansa ay naniniwala na ang ating mga pagkain ay talagang kakaiba.